Hello everyone. In our previous class, we already studied our basic things of alphabet chapter and some tricks to remember the opposite letters as well as the numbers. So today we will start our actual chapter. That is, we will start from our first question. Let us see here. Which letter is 8th to the left of 7th letter from the right? From the right means we have to come from Z now. Z, Y, X, W, like this. We have to come from Z. So always we have to first find this half, second half. So from here it will be, from this it will be first half and this is our second half. So first always we have to find the second half letter. Okay. So seventh letter from the right. Which is our seventh letter from the right? See, Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T. T is our seventh letter. So T is our seventh letter. So eighth letter to the left of seventh letter. So yesterday I told you A, B, C, D, so up to Z. So this is our right side and this is our left side. So always keep in mind our right and our left will be the same for the questions. Okay. So 8th to the left of 7th letter from the right hand. So 7th letter from the right means T, already we got, and 8th to the left of T. 8th to the left of T. So left of T means we have to move forward or come backward. Yes, we have to come backward, because if T is here, this side will be the right and this side will be left. Okay. So 8th to the left of T. So again we will start counting. Left of T means S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L. Okay, so this is our 8th letter. Which is our 8th letter? That is L. L is our 8th letter. We will check one more time. S, R, Q, P, O, L, sorry, N, M, L. L is our 8th letter. So this is our answer. L is our answer. What is the question is, which letter is 8th? So this is 8th letter from the left of 7th letter. From the right. From the right, 7th letter is T. T's left 8th letter means L. So this is how we count. Okay. We have some shortcut methods by using this. So yesterday only I told you left to left means minus, right to right means minus, left to right plus, and right to left plus. Okay. So see here, always right and left. So both are given in the question. That means we have to add the numbers. Okay. So 7th letter from the right. 7th letter from the right. So right, left both are given. Then we have to add plus 8th to the 7th letter. 8th. So which is 18. So 18th letter from the right is, that is L. L is our 18th letter, 15th letter. So if you have any doubt, you can check by using your yesterday's class notes. Okay. So this is how we find the letter. So 15th letter. 15th letter from the right is L. L is our answer. Without knowing this method, you can also solve, but it will be lengthier process. Okay. It will be lengthier process. Next, coming to our second question. Which letter is 8th to the right of 7th letter from the left? Now we have to come from left. Okay. So always second off. First we will consider second off. Seventh letter from the left is, which is seventh letter? So let it be. We will not bother about the which is seventh letter. Just we will write here 7 and 8 to the right. So there is left and here is left, right. Left to right is plus 8. It is 15. So 15th letter from the left. So always we consider the last written here, left or right. Okay. 15th letter from the left is O. So this is how we can solve by using that rule. Next, coming to our third example, which letter is fourth to the right of seventh letter from the right? See here. So again here right, here also right. So right to right means minus, we have to subtract. So what we have to subtract now? First we will take the second of 7. Next 4. What is our answer? 3. So 3 is our answer. Now we have to find third letter from the right. That's it. Z, Y, X. X is our third letter. So our answer is X. X is our third letter from the right. If you don't know this, so by doing normally, so you have to come like this, again you have to go back. So this is your actual method. Okay. So first from here you will come here and again you will go back. So by doing this method you will take some more time. It will be around 1 minute or some 50 seconds, 60 seconds like that. So by using this you will get the answer within the 10 seconds. Okay. Next, fourth question. Which letter is fourth to the left of seventh letter from the left? So left to left means minus, seventh letter, fourth letter, it is 3C from the left. So this is how we can solve by using that rules. Okay. So seventh letter from the left. 7 left to left means minus, and this 4 here. 7 minus 4 is 3. Third letter is C from the left. So this is how we can solve very fast. Okay. Next, coming to our last question, that is fifth question. Which letter is 15th to the right of 8th letter from the left? So right, left, both are there. It means we will plus here. First come to this question, this number and this number. So what is our total sum now? 15 plus 8 is 23. 23rd letter from the left is W. So this is how we can solve easily. Coming to our next question, that is sixth question. Which letter will be sixth to the left of 17th letter to the right of 7th letter from the left? So in your previous 5 questions, you had only 2 numbers, but here we are getting you 3 numbers, 6, 17 and 7. So how to solve this? So this also we can solve easily by using the previous method. First we have to see, here there are 3 parts. So first we have to go from third part and then second and then first. See here. Till here it is first part and 17th to the right of. So this is our second part and this is our third part. So first we will consider third part. 7th letter from the left. 7th letter from the left means from A to Z we are going. From the left means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is our 7th letter. And 17th letter to the right. So here it is left and here it is right. So we have to add it plus 17. So what is our answer? 17 plus 7 means 24. Okay. So up to here we are getting 24 from the left. So this is very important. You will consider this as the all the parts. Okay, left. 17th to the right of 7th letter from the left means 7 plus 17. It is 24. Okay. Then 6th to the left of 24th letter. 6th to the left of 24th letter. Left means again we have to come back. So coming back means we have to subtract it. Minus 6. So what is our answer? 24 minus 6, that is 18. Which is our 18th letter? 18th letter is R. 18th letter is R. So this is our answer for this question. So what we did here? First we are taking third part and then we are moving to second part and then we are moving to first part. Okay. So here 7th letter is G. 17th letter 7 plus 17. So 7 plus 7 is 24. 24th letter is X. And X minus 6. 18th letter is R. R is our answer. So this we can do only if you know all the numbers of the letters. So that is very important to know all the numbers of the letters. It will be easy for you in your calculations. Coming to 7th question. Which letter will be 6th to the left of 10th letter to the right of 11th letter from the left? Again same. So this is our first part, this is our second part and this is our third part. So 11th letter from the left. 11th letter from the left is K and 10th to the right of 11th letter. Right of 11th letter means plus 10. What is our answer? 21. Which is our 21st letter? That is U. Okay. So next, 6th to the left of 21st letter. It means again we have to come back. It means 6. 6 means 16. Sorry. 15. 21 minus 6 is 15. Which is our 15th letter from the left? It is O. O is our answer for this question. Okay friends, have you understood this? Okay, coming to our next question. How many letters are in between 5th letter from the left hand and 4th letter from the right hand? So this is our from left to right. Okay. So what they are telling you, how many letters are in between 5th from the left? From the left, 5th letter, and from the right, 4th letter. So they are asking you, how many are in between 5th letter from the left and 4th letter from the right? So how many numbers are here in between? So how we can solve this? So just you have to add 5 plus 4, that is 9. Okay. So here 5 are removed and here 4 are removed. They are asking in between. From here to here, in between how many letters are there? 9. So what we have to know? So how many letters are there? Total 26 letters. 26 minus 9. What is 26 minus 9? It is 17. So there are 17 letters in between these two letters. 5th letter is E and 4th letter from the right means W. In between E and W, excluding E and W. Okay, excluding E and W. You everything E and W ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರ ನಡುವರ್ಕ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು letters our question. Okay, there are 17 letters in between E and W. Coming to ninth question. Which letter is in the middle of 13th letter from the left and 4th letter from the right? So, which letter is in the middle of 13th from the left? Z and A. 13th from the left means it is M. And 4th from the right. 4th from the right means W. Okay. So in between these, how many numbers are there, means how many letters are there, and which is letter are exactly between M and W. They are asking you. So see here, first we have to do 23 minus 13. Okay, 23 minus 13 means in these all letters we have to subtract first this one. 23 minus 13, that is 10. So when we are talking about 23 minus 13, 23 minus 13 means 10. In this subtraction we removed up to M. Okay, up to M we are removed here, means M is already removed, but still W is there. In this sum still W is there, so we have to remove W also. Minus 1, we will get 9. We have to remove W also, 9. Then so totally here there are 9 letters. Okay, 9 letters. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 letters. So which is middle now? So this number is middle one. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here to get this letter, we have to add. Here it is M in our question. Here it is M. We have to add plus 5 to M here. So 13 plus 5, it is 18. 18th letter is R. So which letter is in the middle of M and W means it is R. Or else you can do 23 minus 5. It is 18. That is R. Okay. So you can do this or this. Both are same. In between M and W there are 9 letters, and exactly between middle in between W and M is, that is R. R is our answer. Okay. So next, coming to our next question. If the first 5 letters are written in reverse order, first 5 letters are written in reverse order, then the next 5 letters are written in reverse order, and so on. Which is 7th to the right of 9th letter from the left? Okay, first we have to take if the first 5 letters are written in reverse order. First 5 letters means in English alphabet. Okay. So which is our first 5 letters? A, B, C, D, E. These 5 letters we have to write in reverse order. E, D, C, B, A. In reverse order. Then the next 5 letters are written in reverse order. Which is our next 5 letters? F, G, H, I, J. So these 5 we have to write in reverse order again. J, I, H, G, F. So we have to write in reverse order, and so on. So on means this process should continue. From J it over again. K, L, M, N, O. P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these all we have to write in reverse order. So first we have to write in reverse order. O N N L K, and then T S R Q P, and then Y X W V U, and this Z as it is. So now we have to consider this only, not this, only we have to consider this part now. So up to this we did here, up to here we did here. So what is our question now? Which is 7th to the right of 9th letter from the left? From the left, 9th letter, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. What is our 9 plus 7? It is 16. 16th letter from the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our answer is D. So this is our common method. Okay. This is our long process. So how to do it short? So always first we have to do this calculation. So you already know it is, we have to do here subtraction or addition. So right and left both are given, means we have to add it, and 9 plus 7 is 16. So now directly we have to move 16 from here. So which is our 16th letter is P. So this is our smart work. So 16th letter is P. So we have to only write in reverse order only this batch. Okay. By writing all these, it will simply waste of time. So directly we have to go to 16th letter. 16th letter we have to write in reverse order. It means only we have to write this part in reverse order. So our answer is T. This is our 16th letter now. Up to here it is 15th letter and next is 16th letter. This is our smart word. Don't write all these. Okay. Don't write all these. It will simply waste of time. Just directly go to 16th letter. 16th letter is P. P to 5 letters we have to write in reverse order. P, Q, R, S, T. Only this batch we have to write in reverse order, and 16th letter is T. This is our smart word. Okay. So in our next class we will go to type 2. So this is what we saw till now. It is only type 1. There are totally type 5 types of problems in this chapter. This is a very big chapter and very easy and very important for the reasoning chapters. Okay. So by doing this you will get 4 to 5 chapters easily. You can solve it. Okay. Thank you.